Hi guys. This video will show you how to add emojis to YouTube comments and description. Emojis are a great way to make your videos and comments stand out from the rest. Here are some great ways to add YouTube comments and description emojis. Method 1. Adding emojis to YouTube videos on Windows with keyboard. If you are using Windows 10, then you can use the keyboard shortcut to open the emoji icons. Press Windows and semicolon key, or Windows plus period key to open the emoji keyboard. And you will see the emojis. Currently, there are 6 types of emojis you can add on Windows, including smiley faces and animals, people, celebrities and objects, foods and plants, transportation and places, and symbols. You can then click the emoji that you'd like to add to the YouTube video directly. Method 2. Copy and paste emojis from websites. One of the easiest ways to add emojis to YouTube comments is to copy-paste them from an emoji database. You can right-click on the emoji and then select Copy. Now, go to your YouTube comment and right-click again. Scroll down and click on Paste to use the emoji. Here are some of the best websites to download emojis that you may need. In these websites, you can get a range of smileys and icons to use for your YouTube comments. You can start with smiley faces that help you express many emotions. Then you can get emojis of objects like cars, mountains, drinks, fruits, bells, guitars, and more.